phrase on the pedal board. We have F, G, C. Let's play the left hand. I have C, F, B flat, E. And now I play that left hand and the pedal board together. The arrangement is written in a simple way, so your left hand moves in the similar direction as the pedal board. It's very easy to coordinate. And now let's do right hand melody together with the pedal board because it's fairly straightforward. Now we'll play all three staves, both hand and the pedal board. The second phrase on the pedal board, I have F, G, F. When you want to play the organ without looking at the pedal board, it's useful to use a reference. So if you sit in the middle of the organ, your foot will fall very naturally on C and E. So if you want to play FD, just move your feet up a tone. Yeah. Still keep your heel together. Your toes will fall very naturally 2 notes apart. So we have F and a D. We can move on. We just need to practice the second half of this phrase, yeah? So on the left hand, I have B flat and the A. Play it together with the pedal board. Yeah. And right hand. If we are happy with everything played separately, we can play them together slowly. And the third phrase, we need to find that B flat. B flat is easy to find. It's the first black key. If you move your left foot towards your left side, that one, the first black one you hit is the B flat. It's totally up to you whether to use the heel or if you want to move the foot down to C. Now let's add left hand to this phrase. And now let's add right hand to the pedal board. Happy with this, and then we'll put everything together but at a much slower pace. And once you're happy with a slow practice and you get everything right, we can speed up. Now let's play the last phrase on the pedal board. You can also substitute. And then you have B flat. That's another. Now let's do pedal with left hand. Now Let's do the pedal with right hand. Now let's play this piece from the beginning.